Guys, I've been shooting a little bit of video. I've never really disclosed where I live. I live in Florida, and I think I'm going to be moving to Colorado real soon. I'm not sure if you heard about this storm that's coming at us, but it's pretty bad. Yeah. I guess everybody knows there's a big storm out in the Gulf of Mexico heading to like Tampa, Sarasota, Bradenton, that area of Florida. Pardon the noise. I don't know if you can hear me very well, but I'm on my bike. I have a big apocalyptic motorcycle that I built. Anyway, this storm seems massive, and I don't know if anybody knows, but I currently live in Florida, so this is going to be fun. I built this bike for that reason. One of these days I'll give you a tour of it and let you see what this bike's capable of, but it's got a little bit of everything. Yep, that's my bike. And it also, yep, does that too. It'll also handle 4 feet of water, which is absolutely insane. Anyway, bring on the apocalypse. Fueling up, getting ready for the apocalypse. It's kind of a madhouse out here. Bumper to bumper, wall to wall. I had to wait 3 cars deep to get gas. I have a 2-story home, and I have been preparing for this thing called Milton. I think it's going to be fun. Let's find out.